Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, first of all, before we look at that, here's the SPY, guys. This is just, we're selling, selling, selling. And so when you look at a stock, let me get rid of this. Hopefully I can get it out. There we go. When you look at a stock like NRDS, you can see that, I mean, it is pulling back now, but you can see that it had a tremendous run. This is one of those, what I call under the radar earnings plays, NRDS, one of these under the radar earnings plays. I mean, most people have never heard of this, called Nerd Wallet. And look what it did. I mean, it went from this morning from about what is it now, right there, about 7.57, all the way up to almost $10 on a day where the market was just getting, again, clobbered. So as I've told people in the trading room, when you see the same stock, NRDS, you can see it right there, in the 10-day daily breakout at 8.97, and you see it in my option scanner at 9.15, you know, pay attention because, you know, it doesn't happen that often. You get the same stock in both scanners. So pay attention, and that definitely was your, your definition of an alpha stock, not really caring what the rest of the market is doing until now. I mean, it's starting to give it up now, but before that it was beautiful. Well, guys, let's see what happens on Monday, but have a great weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.